Hello everybody, I am here with chapter 1 of your EV's textbook, that is living and non-living things. So let's see. So students, we have a very beautiful world. We have flowers, trees, people around us. Some of them are alive. We can just see that some are alive and some are not alive. The organisms that are alive are called as living ones, whereas the organisms which are not alive are non-living things. So let's see living things first. We can just see human beings, they have life in them. Birds, plants, animals, they all are having life in them. That's why they are called living things. Now, in this chapter, we'll try to find out the differences between living things and non living things. So, let's start with living things first. First, living things need food. For every living organism, food is very important to live because food gives energy to the body and help it to grow. Food helps to stay healthy and strong. Now, plants are able to make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll. This process is called as photosynthesis. Whereas animals cannot prepare their own food, they depend upon plants for their food. Second, all living things breathe. Oxygen in the air plays a very important role for the living things. We need air to survive. Human beings and animals breathe in oxygen present in the air and give out carbon dioxide. Now, different living things breathe through different organs. Let's see. See, in the first diagram here, it is a diagram of a human being where it takes up oxygen, it takes up air from the nose, and from the nose it goes to the lungs. Similarly, cat, dogs, whale and other animals also have lungs to breathe like this. Plants have small tiny pores on the leaves which help in the process of breathing or exchange of gases in plants. In case of insects, there are spiracles present through which insect breathe. In case of fish, gills are present which help it to breathe. Living things grow and reproduce. All living things grow and change. That is, living things live for a certain period of time. They grow older and then die. For example, a small bud of a flower just open up into a beautiful flower after some time. A seed changes into a plant and then tree after some time. A Baby boy grows up into a man, a cub into a tiger. Living beings also reproduce their young ones. That is, they have babies. They gave birth to the young ones. That are of their own kind. Some animals like mammals, that is human beings, tigers, monkeys, dolphins, etc., give birth to young ones. These babies feed on the mother milk. Mammals protect and take care of the young ones. On the other side, animals such as birds, insects, reptiles, fishes, frog, snails lays eggs. Reptiles like crocodiles, lizards, snakes, turtles lays eggs on land. Living things move. All living things move, but movement in animals and plants is different. Animals move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and to escape from danger. Humans and animals use their legs to move around, to look for food and shelter. Birds and insects also use their feet and wings to move. Some animals, like snakes and earthworm, use their bodies to move, that is, crawl. Whereas in case of plants, plant cannot move from one place to another like animals, but they show movement. Plant respond to the changes in the environment. For example, sunflower turn and follow the direction of sun to grow. Leaves of the plant, like touch me not plant, shrink when they are touched. Living things feel. Whenever we hurt, it pains. Whenever we touch a hot or a sharp object, we remove our hand quickly because we feel pain. Animals can feel things with their sense organs like skin. We can feel non-living things and movement of the air. A plant grows toward lights. Similarly, a root grows downwards and the shoot, that is the stem part, grows upwards. Flower also blooms in particular seasons. This is all about living things. We'll take up non-living things in next video. Thank you.